Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So today once again we are with this tool called Perplexity AI, and in last video we covered basics of Perplexity Finance. There is a lot to cover which I will cover slowly in each and every video because I cannot make a half hour or 1 hour video. I'm very lazy, so we will cover slowly. And I also covered in last video how you can get Perplexity Pro. So today we will cover how you can use Perplexity for your swing trading. So there is lots of things. First of all, this is for educational purpose only. Don't make any buy or sell decision from this. Always consult your financial advisor before making any investment. Investment. Okay. So that's it for the description. Now we will just ask basics. I am also trying this for first time. Let's ask let's ask him or her, how you can help me with swing trading in stocks. Let's see. I can support you education level strategy, identifying opportunities, screening stocks. Yes, we have covered the screen, technical analysis, trading tools, risk management, position sizing, in lots of things. This can help us cover, right? So development and testing, a trading plan, a personalized support. Okay, let's see. Let's go one by one. So first we will educate. Okay, suggest me some best growing company which has below 5000 crore market cap but in net profits and growing year on year. Suggest five companies. Let's say five. It will be easier for us to study. NACL. Okay. Market cap is our delivered good return. Let's say NACL Industries. NACL Industries. Okay, the stock is good. It is okay. It's not recommended. See, circuits are there. Your money can be stuck. It's like a circuit stock. The stocks works in only circuit 5%, 10%, and you cannot trade practical in this. But we are just using this tool for education purpose only. Let's say Fine Sciences. Camelin Fine Sciences. Maybe this was IPO. Camelin Fine Sciences Limited. So this is good company. Not good, but looks good on the chart. Okay, nice, 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 nice. So yes, overall they are suggesting good companies. Okay, we need to increase market cap maybe just to get a stocks with good volume. Same logic, just market cap above 5000 crore and below 10,000 crore. So we can get some liquid companies, right? Let's see what it suggests. Okay, just five stocks of your choice because there are lots of companies. You cannot suggest everything. Let's see what it suggests. Five mid cap companies. Oswald Pumps. Let's see the liquidity. The liquidity is first thing because we need exit. I'm not suggesting this stock anyways, but we need exit. Okay, this has liquidity. How you know? So there are VIX. Stock went up, stock came down. This is not, there are not circuits. So Oswald pumps looks good, looks like a fresh IPO which came and now it's rocking. Okay, good. We will just randomly analyze some companies. Isolation Energy. Let's analyze Isolation Energy. Isolation, Isolation Energy. Okay, this is also a liquid stock. Okay, okay, growth is very good, but now it's on average pace. But it came from 15 rupees to 450 rupees. How you can find this kind of stocks? I don't know. I mean, I know we will cover it shortly. How you can find it if a stock is in a similar range from very long time and then it is breaking out, then you should enter. See here, your stop loss can be very low, right? So this type of stocks you can find only with the help of screener. I will cover that in another video. So let's say we found a random five stocks. Now from this five, show me pros and cons of these companies so I can decide to invest or not. Oswald Pump, strong profit growth, sales expansion, good market position. Cons, exposure to raw material fluctuation price, pressure in margin, competitive industries. Okay. Sriracha Technology. See everything with two pros and two cons. Okay. So I'm not reading each and everything. You can check it by your own. Okay. So now these five we have pros and cons. According to you, which cons are less harmful and pros are more beneficial? Ignore my spelling. Shell. Let's say profitable. Okay, so however you educate yourself, you cannot write good spellings, right? Will suggest two from this as per your understanding. So let's see. Oswald Pumps. Okay. Pros with the company operates in growing infrastructure and agriculture. Cons with raw material prices common issue in manufacturing, but can be managed through some better sourcing and pricing strategy. Competition is present, but Oswald product diversification, established market presence provide a competitive advantage. So the pros are overweight than cons. The cons are manageable. So that's how we played here. So it was just basic two three questions which we asked, right? Pros, highly promising position in a renewable energy stock which gaining massive government and market support globally, giving it a strong long-term potential. Cons, execution risk and high capital expenditure are expected growing cleaner, but these are overweight by the sector exposure. These two are balanced. If you want, I can help you detail metric and strategy monitoring, managing this risk. Okay, yes, you can. Let's see what it replies. But we got our two stocks. Once again, these are just for education purpose only. So what we did is we haven't even used AI. I will tell you, this is not AI. AI can do much better things with the number. This is just 1% of what we can do. We will slowly, gradually increase our level. So these are just we ask him randomly that show us a company. Why a mid cap company? 5,000 to 10,000 crore. Below 5,000 crore, companies are not liquid on chart, so we need to exit. So between 5,000 to 10,000 crore, why we did that? Because the company should have a growth potential. A 1 lakh crore company cannot, it can become 2 lakh crore company, but a 10,000 crore company can become fast 2,000 20,000 crore, right? Then 1 lakh crore will become 2 lakh crore. So the growth percentage wise is faster on the smaller scale. I don't know the logic behind this, but it is what it is, right? So let's see what it has answer. Metrics, monitor trend, still gross operating margin. Okay, it is not showing number, but it is just showing us. Okay, let's say, can you suggest us stop loss for our swing exit in Oswald Palms. Okay, okay. The suggested stop loss is 800. Let's see what is around 800. Okay, it is 865 is the price. What is at 800? Okay, the recent swing low is around 800. The big candle. Okay, got it. It's good. So it's good. See what we got it. We just asked him a question, suggest us five stock. It suggested. We asked pros and cons. It suggested. Then we said out of five, just suggest us two stock. Just pros can be manageable, cons can be manageable, or pros should have a upper hand. So it suggested as well. Then we asked for some random data which I haven't read. You can read. Then we asked for a stop loss. So I guess we got our stock. This is once again not recommendation. This is just with help of AI. You don't need to go through charts every time. You make a list of chart 100, 200 chart, and then you scroll like a mad person. So this is 2025. You don't need to do this. Get help of AI. So this is still not an AI. We will cover lots of things. Please subscribe to our channel. We have lot. I have lot to tell you guys. This was nothing. We will go numerical. We will go in very much detail. This was just a overview of overview of an AI. There is lot to go. Thank you so much.